friends. Thank you so much for choosing Madam Excellence today. I appreciate you. Thank you so much. So, today I'll be showing you how to make this beautiful drink. This drink is just my favorite. This juice is my favorite. And it's just going to boost your immune system, give you that glow, give you a beautiful skin. Just stick around, I'll show you how. So, first of all, we just need our carrots, and we're just gonna chop it up and scrape the skin, and then we are gonna go ahead and dice our oranges. Just peel the back like so. Yeah, don't mind me. Peel it as thinly as possible if you can. If you're new to this channel, you are welcome. Please like and subscribe, share this video with your friends and family. I hope you enjoy this, this recipe that I'm about to show you. If you're returning, I appreciate you. Thank you so much. And so we're just gonna chop up our oranges like so that we can, easily blend it and juice it with the juice extractor. Yeah, just make it as thinly as possible. Just peel the skin very thin if you can. And then we are just gonna begin peeling our pineapple. This is very sweet pineapple. It's called a sweet pineapple. So we are just gonna peel off the skin. You know what I do with all this skin, the skin to the pineapple, the skin to the orange, I set it aside and I cook it. People do it, they cook it and then they use it to either wash their hair or they drink it for an extra detox. But that's why I don't just throw away the skin like that. Okay, just go ahead and peel up your pineapple. Just gonna keep peeling, 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 peeling. Thank you so much. If you enjoyed the video so far, like and share. And if you haven't subscribed, it's free, guys. It's free, my friends. Please subscribe to keep me going, to make sure that I feel motivated to keep doing this. Thank you so much. So I'm just gonna chop it up and set it aside, and then I'll just show you all the fruits that I ended up blending. And some people can add ginger if you want. You can add lemon if you want. But I'm just going to leave it as is. And then this is my juice extractor. I'm just going to go ahead and extract it right away. And it's just going to give me a beautiful, beautiful drink. Here it is. Oh, I don't add any sweetener, nothing. This is how it is. It's already sweet. The pineapple is super sweet. It's a very sweet pineapple. So there's no need adding any sweetener. And there you go, guys. Thank you so much. Enjoy this drink with your family. Drink it. Enjoy yourself. Whenever you need that glow, that detox, you know what to do. Thank you so much. Bye.